we ma 21st 2024 ni hu se odwom tuni kese pa eye Koda ne mame to ni din frɛ Kofi Wusudua ato ya ye twa ne short ne Koda bra yi eto nyuma otum se ahonkeka pa etumi pie ashow dem wo ba program ase a otum se nsenchane ne awomade edi ne nyuma chi a wono ankasa otum se Nyankopɔn na frɛ no e wonwom tuom eprimu obefiri mu ya na aye he e wo ayi social media so a wo bia kanadwin when a prophet Kofi Oduro so de ne fana word aba say one ma de Kofi o ma de Koda we will say rest in peace in that hey in some bebre mi hu ye na me kan ye me ye say no eye Koda wanya efie baako 46 years when who said one day kro be post in birthday say and na Koda birthday nti o wish no kra social media so na sabe ye nhwehwe no owo de edamansan kom obia be na senia wo bi wa social media ye no and share erade anunya mo ye ko no akasa enkofa ono ananum nsam emra.
Our brother Koda passed on possibly last Sunday. It's been 1 week now. This man is a very gifted person. Plays the piano well, he plays the guitar, all the guitars, acoustic, rhythm, lead, bass guitar. He plays it so well. He plays other instruments. He's a composer, arranger, and all that. When Koda passed on Sunday after second service, we were with a team whilst we were going and running through our training. I just flipped my phone, and the news that were coming on the phone were interesting news. So I asked my wife, well, what is happening on the internet, and why are they saying that Koda is passed on? Check from very reliable sources like Peace FM, United Television, and all that. Truly the information was true. But what shocks me is not the passing of Koda. I mean, we are all bound to die. That does not shock me at all. His age does not shock. 45. The Bible said in Job chapter number 14 and verse number 5, he said he has set your boundaries, and he has determined the number of the months you will live upon the earth. Yeah, and you will never pass it when the time comes. In other words, some will be 70, others will be 40, others will be 25, others will be 15, others will be 125, and all that. Nobody knows when they are going to die. This is why the Bible said, as an evil net catches men as birds and fishes on an evil day, that is the same way that man does not also know his time. In other words, you don't know that you are going to be history tomorrow morning. We wake up full of life. We are like the flowers that rises up in the morning. By evening we are history already. So his passing does not shock me at all, because we are all like, I had a crusade yesterday at Pokuase under the bridge, and whilst we were having the crusade, I saw a phenomenon of Aboboya or Mahama Kambu or whatever they call it, Pragia or what they call it, and those are the mode of transportation that goes to Afiam and Katapo, those kind of areas, and they were in a queue, just like the Okada riders were in a queue. We too are now we are in rules, so are now working, and you are in a queue. That is how life is. Interestingly, we are having a nice life. We are working, doing business and making money, making a name, and making some kind of notoriety for ourselves. But the truth is that we are in a queue. That didn't shock me. I mean, Koda's dead. He's a great man. He's a believer. He has prayed. He's composed a lot of songs. Nyame Somaya and Sempi. Momiantu Ozana. Many powerful songs he has given to the body of Christ. But what shocked me is the reaction of the body of Christ. Hypocrites! People who have never posted Koda on his numerous 45 times of birthdays, they never said happy birthday Koda. In the kingdom, I'm telling you things that works in the kingdom of men. People wicked enough, they never said happy birthday, but they can say rest in peace. You are wicked. You are a very wicked person. When I could see, interestingly, gospel musicians from that fraternity of ministry and saying, champ, legend, really? You did the same thing to Kwabena Dumo. You said that he was a champion of the game. But when he was alive, the same people hated and resented him. And so one look at the interesting reaction of the body of Christ, and it shocks me. Seriously, it shocks me. The words that they are using. You were the champion of our time, the legend of our moment. You were the top of your game. You commanded the sphere. The industry can never be the same again without you. Really? Really? You are just like Ghana. The most hypocritical nation on the whole world, on the whole earth. When you are here, they don't talk good about you. When President Mills was alive, you talk nonsense against your own president to the point that your president was depressed. Depressed! I'm telling you, your president died from discouragement. And then they turn back and compose songs, and then songs for him. Nonsense. Stop your nonsense. Stop your nonsense. And so the point that we can go and print wax prints and put his name on it and say, Sasa. Then say. You people can go ahead. Somebody that is free. You don't even appreciate the sacrifice. The man is sick and still performing his duties as a president. And you don't appreciate it. He dies and you come talking nonsense. For you are wicked people. I'm talking to this church, to every church. When I'm a now, you are wicked people.